Number 5. B8 Biolis Pro, BAD 2000. Power meets technology in this dryer. The ultimate professional. Extra long 11 feet, 3.1 meters, cord gives you the freedom to style. Rubber finished body produces extra gentle, even far infrared heat that protects hair from damage. Dry hair with one of 4 heat settings to reveal voluminous hair with shine. Number 4. Rusk, W8 Less. 2000 watt ceramic and tourmaline dryer. An extremely powerful, yet lightweight. The far infrared rays penetrate the outer cuticle of the hair, drying it from the inside out. Number 3. Pibbs, TTECO 8012. Low noise immediate cold switch to unbreakable nozzles. 2-speed 4 temperature settings. K lamination motor. Ozone friendly. Number 2. Wazor, hair dryers. (1875) WDC motor provides lightweight body, home styling essential. 2-speed, high LOW, and 3 heat, hot cool warm, settings for complete drying and styling flexibility. Cool shot button releases cool air to lock in the style. Removable and cap for easy cleaning. 1-year replacement, 2-year warranty. Number 1. Kadori Professional. Proprietary leveled infrared ionic air technology produces unmatched conditioning and shine. Extra long 11 feet, 3.1 meters, cord gives you the freedom to style. Rubber finished body. Ergonomically lightweight body, 15 ounces, to reduce strain to arm and wrists. Diffuser and concentrator included. If you ready to shop, check the video description. Also we recommend you check out first at Amazon.